I love helping people. I love the adventure and challenges that I find myself in real estate. I have over 10 years of experience in real estate. I have been a buyer, a seller, a landlord, a tenant, a property manager, and a closer. I treat all people the same, whether it's for business or if it is a friend or family. I go above and beyond. I have no problem grabbing a broom or picking up a paintbrush, just touching up, making sure that the homes are ready. I put myself in their shoes. I'm sort of my client's second set of eyes. I see a lot of things that they don't, especially since I have a lot of experience working with investors and fixing properties. I recently had a buyer where we came across some challenges with the financing aspect of the transaction. We had to switch lenders multiple times. At the end, I made some calls and was able to secure a loan with one of my investors. It took longer than expected, but finally my client got the home that she wanted and everyone was happy. My name is Maria Reed. Allow me to find your spot.